Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my reaction. So guys, I'm here to do another reaction video, another recommendation, and this is Anne, one of the talented group members from the group RBD, and this is Rumba, performer live feature Wyson. So I'm curious to see what it is. I just want to say thanks to the ones who give me these recommendations. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let's go, because I'm curious to see what she's gonna give me, because she is a performer and she's a beast at it. Gorgeous. I really do prefer her with a darker brunette hair than blonde. If she was a model, I could see her be one of the Victoria's Secret girls. This is really clear. Oh my god, I hope YouTube don't block it. Well, his stage presence is kind of boring. Lao lao. Okay, and we see you, girl. I'm assuming this is like a Latin award show. I'm assuming. I don't really know. I usually see a lot of Latin or Latinx artists. They always perform here, so I'm assuming this is like an award show for Latin singers. Latinx. Because if this is an award show, people show up. Not like here in America. We have our VMAs and whatever award shows that we having, and it's like it's crickets. I need to stop talking bad too much about America when I live here. Oh, come on, dude, they look good. Okay, now he's giving me energy. Okay, so he can collect his check. Oh, he's showing us arms. Oh, he working out. Lao lao. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, sir. Breakdancing in the back. Lao lao. First of all, I love it how she have her name there in the background. I love the stage. I love the color. I love the lights. Good production. Good production. Giving us drama. She's an actress as well, so. Rumba. 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 He is killing it in the back. I know his back hurting. Oh, he's cute. Look at Winston, are you cute? Yes. Keep you warm at night. So that was Rumba with Anahi from RBD, and that was Wyson or Wyson. That was a very good performance. At first, he was kind of boring to me, very lackluster, but what else is new when it comes to male artists? 80% of them. But it was very good. She's a very good performer. She's a very good performer and an entertainer. So I would call her an entertainer because I think for me, an entertainer is above a performer. A performer means someone can come up and perform but can't entertain you. There's a lot of them out there who could perform their ass off but doesn't entertain you. So she's an entertainer. I am entertained by watching her. So thanks for the recommendation. I really do appreciate it. Keep it coming. As always, I will take whatever recommendation you give me and I will get to it as soon as possible. So please feel free to put a link in the comment section down below and I will get to it as soon as possible. So who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.